just peed at your feet.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
She's marking her territory. Ugly, right? He's about to go right in here. He's about to go right in the thing. Nope. I'm not with it. I'm sorry. I gotta go. Ridiculous. You know he is.
Why y'all trying to hide underneath me? Go play. Go play. Go. Bye, Jada. Bye, Lila. Man is not playing no games. He's all in the grass. Jada just busted her butt.
What are you doing? You better not. Stop it.
That's how she plays with them.
That's how she plays with
Yeah, she's teaching them. When she's, if she growls and like nibbles at them, she's okay.
She's just making sure they're okay?
Yeah, and she's playing with them too.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm. I think she's realizing that they're old enough to play with. If she bites them too aggressively, that's a whole nother story. But you know Isyss is a little nibbler. Come on.
They all looking at you. Lila's like, nah, I'm not doing it.
Man's climbing up on the stone and back down. Yep. These will be some cute pictures.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Take 100 shots.